Hi everyone, it's Marissa with Bumblebee Apothecary. Welcome back to my channel. This is Lily. She wanted to join me today for this video. Can you say hi?
Hi.
On my channel, I like to show how to make organic handcrafted skincare and baby products, and I also like to share natural lifestyle tips. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to make shave butter. Now this is a really nice thing to use when shaving, obviously. It's made with coconut oil, cocoa butter, some olive oil, and then some castile soap and a tiny bit of essential oils. It's really super nice for shaving because it helps moisturize your skin at the same time. It helps you get a really close shave so that it lasts longer and prevents getting cut and things like that. Men and women can both use it, and it's super nice. So let's get started making it. So I'm going to start with some olive oil in my bowl here, and to that I'm going to add some melted coconut oil and some melted cocoa butter. I'm going to have the exact measurements for the recipe in the description below so that you can follow that if you want. I'm going to put that into the refrigerator to start to solidify after I mix it up a bit. You want it partly solidified, you don't want it completely solid. And I'm going to take it out and I'm going to start whipping it with my hand mixer. It takes a little while to whip, maybe a minute or so. So I'm just going to do that for a little bit. I wanted to also mention that, like I mentioned in one of my other videos, I'm making a bigger batch here than what most people would probably want to make for their home use. I make a little bit of a larger batch at a time just so that I have enough to fill orders, since I do get orders for this quite a bit. But the recipe that I'm going to provide below is going to be fit more for a home use type of a size. After I whipped it for a while, and it's starting to get fluffy, I'm going to start adding the castile soap, so I'm just going to add that. And then I'm going to start whipping again. After the addition of the castile soap, you're going to see that it gets really nice and fluffy. It's so luxurious to use shaving. It kind of reminds me of like a shaving cream, but it's like butter at the same time because it's so moisturizing with all those really nice oils. So it's like the best of both worlds. Super moisturizing with those healthy organic oils and then light and fluffy. So I'm just going to whip that again for a while, kind of like before, maybe a minute or so, just until it's really nice and fluffy. Once it's nice and fluffy like I'd like it, then I'm going to add a little bit of essential oil. For this, I like to add just a tiny bit of tea tree and then also some lavender. Those are just really nice for soothing the skin, and they help prevent any type of irritation that you might get from shaving too. So just nice and healing and soothing, and they smell really nice too. So I'm just going to whip again and get those really nice and incorporated. After that, it's time to put into a container. Like my other products, I'm going to be using a nice little amber glass jar. I love glass for storing my products in because it's so safe. You don't have to worry about any toxic chemicals or anything like that. It's durable, it's pretty, and it just works really well. I like amber glass because it helps protect the oils and the essential oils from oxidizing and things like that. So now you can see it's ready to go nice and fluffy in the jar. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing that process. If you would rather buy a pre-made jar of this, you can visit my Etsy shop. I'll put a link to the description below. I'm also going to link all of the ingredients and equipment that I use if you'd like to try making it yourself. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you like to see how to make these types of things Go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you can see more videos on how to make organic, handcrafted skincare and baby products, as well as some healthy lifestyle tips. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye-bye.